In this video, I'll guide you through how to find engaged sessions in Google Analytics 4. Engaged sessions are a really important metric because they help you understand how many of your visitors are actually interacting with your site in a meaningful way, not just landing and leaving. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in GA4 and how to add engaged sessions as a metric to your reports so you can see this data at a glance whenever you need it. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that has access to your Google Analytics 4 property. If you manage multiple properties, double check that the right one is selected at the top of the page so you're looking at the correct data. Once you're in the right GA4 property, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu. Here, click on Reports. This is where you can see all of your standard reports such as acquisition, engagement, monetization, and more. We're going to work inside this section so that engaged sessions can become part of your regular reporting view. After you've clicked on Reports, you'll be taken to the main Reports area. From here, click on Report Snapshot. This is usually one of the first options you see and acts as a quick overview of your site or app performance. The snapshot is customizable, and that's exactly what we're going to use to surface the engaged sessions metric. Once the report snapshot is open, look towards the top right corner of the snapshot page for a small pencil icon. This icon represents customized reports. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. This will open the customization panel where you can decide which cards and metrics you want to see in your snapshot. Customizing this view is helpful because it lets you highlight the numbers that are most meaningful to you or your team. Inside the customization options, you'll find a way to adjust the metrics included in the report. Here, click on Add Metric. This tells GA4 that you want to include an additional data point in this snapshot view. Adding a metric doesn't change your underlying data, it just gives you easier access to it right on this report, so you don't have to dig through multiple screens later. After clicking Add Metric, a search field or list will appear, allowing you to choose what you want to add. In that search bar, type Engage Sessions. As you type, GA4 will filter the list of available metrics and show you the one you're looking for. This makes it quick to find specific metrics without having to scroll through a long list. When you see Engaged Sessions appear in the list of metrics, click on it to select it. By doing this, you're telling Google Analytics 4 to include engaged sessions as one of the metrics shown in your customized report snapshot. Once it's selected, make sure to apply or save your changes depending on what button is available in your interface. After saving, your report snapshot will now include engaged sessions as a visible metric. From now on, whenever you open this report, you'll be able to quickly check how many sessions are considered engaged, giving you a clearer sense of user quality and interaction, not just raw traffic. This simple customization helps you stay focused on meaningful engagement rather than just counting visits.